G'day folks, thanks for tuning in. Today's video is a Tommy Camper review. Now it's a 1 year review, but that said, I've had Tommy Campers now for 2 years, but I've had two of them. First one for 12 months, this one for 12 months. The difference between the two, they were both S4s. The first one was a plain S4 with a flat back. This one's an S4X. It's got the angled back, which makes access much easier. In relation to sponsors, zero sponsors. I am not sponsored by Tommy Campers at all. Okay, we'll start with the roof. I've got a full roof rack on. It's holding the solar panel down, 200 watt solar panel. Apart from that, there's nothing else on the roof. The roof rack is exceptionally good if you need to store light gear. You've got to keep in mind when you get in and lift that roof up, whatever's on top of it, you're lifting it up as well. I did have on my previous one rod holders up there, and I kept fishing rods up there, but rarely used it, so I didn't put it back on this one. I have used the top on this one for empty jerry cans, so I'll keep an empty jerry can on top. The roof's controlled by scissor type opening, and you really do need to keep maintenance up on these things. Every 3 to 4 months, I'll get up there with it's like a grease spray. I can't remember what it's called, but it's quite a tacky grease, a bit like a chain lube, and I'll spray all the relevant places on the slide and in the rollers so that they're nice and slippery, and I make sure it's all clean. The roof is very easy to put up and down if you keep the lubricant up. On my first one, I didn't even think about lubricating the scissors, and by the end of the first year, the roof was definitely harder to get up and down because it was running in completely dry rails. So keep the lubricant up on the scissors. The latches around the roof that hold it down, on my first one I had 4, 2 at the back on the sides, 2 at the front on the sides. That was a pain in the butt because I couldn't reach this back corner without a milk crate. This one here, I've only got 3 latches, one right in the center at the back, which is where the steps are, easy to get to, and then 2 at the front on the sides, and they're both easy to get to because I've got the running boards on the car, so I stay on the running boards and reach the latches. Latches work very well.